what is one thing that you really want your audience to know, that they want to take away, that I can put in large letters over the screen that they need to know?
They don't have to be stuck. There are answers. We can help you get to where you need to be physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Um, Always know that you're never alone. You always have someone cheering you on, and we've got your back.
It's wonderful, really. So you use uh, really advanced, specialized AI apps that we happen to provide in the AI wellness universe. Tell us a little bit about how you found us and why you are one of our prime adopters.
Well, first of all, I had the pleasure of meeting you, and you had told me about this after we had known each other a little while. But I was already using Chat AI. And what I loved about it is I could put, say, I wrote something. It was a great article, but need a little juice into it. I would throw it into GPT and say, hey, make this more conversational, or give it a Jay Shetty tone, or, make it humorous. I loved the idea that you could command this wonderful app to take your material and make it more inviting and more exciting, and you can do so many things with it. In fact, I had written I've done a lot of programs in the past, and I have asked it, what are the 10 most, maybe the 10 most common triggers, and it would spit it out. Most common triggers of people that are struggling with weight loss. And it would help me to, it not only does it give you that, because you have to check everything for
Accuracy.
correction.
Mm.
Yeah, right. But it also, what I found with AI is it made me think more. And then I'd go, wait a minute, it's missing this, it's missing this. And I'd feed it more information and said, wait, how about let's do a book on this, right? I could say, chat, Mr. Chat, whatever. Um, I really want to make this a class. Let's take that for instance. And I'd say, but this is what I'm going to teach you. Now, you could just throw all that stuff in there and say, could you please do an outline? And blah, within a minute, you'd have your outline, right? So that's what I loved. It was able to take what I would do, what my information is, and add it or edit it or make it better. And it took so much time away from the painstaking thing of creating the course or writing an article. Or I mean, every week I'm now using it as a tool to write my article for my newsletter each week. And all I do is I tell them what I'm thinking. Like, this is what's on my mind. And I might put a few little things in there that I want included, and boom, I have my article. So I think every single person out there needs to do this. And what I love about the AI universe, oh gosh, this wellness universe to cater AI to just us is mind blowing. And what I've been using that for, and I'll tell you a really good thing, I just finished a 30-day program for my clients, and it's called Goodbye Night Bites, and it's all about nighttime eating. And I wanted it to be slides. I did want PowerPoints, but I only wanted it to be released each day. Each lesson had some PowerPoints. I ended up making about 300 PowerPoints, but I did it with the aid of the image that you have on that platform. And I can't remember that. So you have two AI image things
Stars, yeah. I call
and
them
stars,
stars
excuse
because
me.
we are all stars.
Stars, stars, it's shiny.
How boring is an app?
Oh
Ah,
my
I
God.
like
We
this
have
star.
shiny objects that really are shiny.
Yeah, let's get inspired by the
Oh
universe,
my gosh.
real one.
I I love it so much. I absolutely can't, it's like I couldn't not have it now, right? Because I can say, could you create a woman 50 years old that's really frustrated with her weight. Boom, up comes that beautiful woman, and she looks like she may be 50. I mean, you can just tell it anything. Uh, and what her expression is, that's worth a million, right? To be able to articulate in images and expression and emotion. And I use it pretty much all day long.
Thank you for that. And I know we have a lot of nutrition coaches, nutrition
Oh,
apps.
yes.
Have you tried those?
I've been dabbling with them, and oh my goodness, oh my goodness, you guys, anybody watching this has to investigate and look at this, because once you enroll into this AI wellness universe, you are going to be mind blown at how much Dr. Christine has prepared and offered to us to use. I am blown away, and I just think it's so helpful because I think it also validates when professionals also have like minds and like passions, and we see how other people do things, it inspires us to do more, to do better. And I think you've given us that.
My whole goal is to bring more goodness and wellness to this world